Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our refresh and copy options located under our print feature, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program. So now in the previous video we looked at some printing options that's found under our print report feature, and there was quite a few of them, but we did cover the last one from that. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to our actual how can I say, we're going to go to our next section. So that little mini series we can kind of wrap out, and we try quickly run through the rest of this feature in the program. So now in today's video we're going to be looking at the refresh and copy feature. Chances are you're not going to use this much, if at all. There's a few settings under this box which I would say is kind of redundant in many ways, unless you actually have a need for it, but most of the time you're just going to pass right by them, but it is still good to understand what they do at least. So what we've got here in our next two ones after we've done our print report is we have a refresh option and then a copy option. So obviously the copy, you kind of know what it does. The refresh also gives you a good idea, but what could happen is, let's say you've made some changes and it has not updated here, then you can always just hit the refresh button and then try see the updates happening. It can be quite convenient if, like I said, if you're running into problems and perhaps it's not displaying correctly, then always try hit that one. So that one is kind of useful, but you don't use it often because the program tends to auto refresh quite a while. But yeah, otherwise that is it on those two settings. Like I say, nothing much to cover, but it's at least good to just touch base on them. Well, otherwise, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.